Oh my gosh, you better turn the camera off because I'm about to let you have it. Welcome to Grand Lake, Todd.
No, that's welcome you guys to Grand Lake.
Cute little town.
We're in Colorado and we're on an adventure day and it's very windy.
Yes, it is.
We're starting our day out in Grand Lake and we're gonna have some food.
Let's do some lunch first.
And then off to the adventure. Hopefully the wind dies a little bit.
That'd be a good goal.
So we better roll the intro and find a seat.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it
All right, we're gonna do a little walking around Grand Lake. It was formed in 1881 apparently, and there's lots of little shopping in this wonderful little boardwalk.
Was it formed in 1881 because of the gold, like the gold rush coming this direction?
No idea.
That'd
No
be
clue.
my best guess.
I know we're waiting for our time slot to go into the National Park. Oh look, now we're in the dark. It takes a minute. Well, our time slot's coming up, but a little shopping, a little exploring, staying out of the wind, and then we'll go see what's in the park.
It's a cute town.
It is a cute town. I will have to admit that. And it's right, the lake is literally right on the other side of these buildings.
Beautiful, right behind us.
But it's so windy. They agree. There it is. There goes your hat. It is very windy.
It's a windy day.
But it's cool because if you were gonna come here, you can rent boats and do all that and then be right here on the boardwalk and around the lake. Can you even hear me? It's pretty loud.
Thing today, but
I dare you.
I don't think we would get anywhere. I don't think we could paddle hard enough.
Apparently ice cream is a big deal and taffy. Here.
Big line for ice cream. Must be pretty good. Okay, I think it's time for our, let me check the time, but I think we got our time permit now. So we can go into the park.
If you haven't traveled in a while, this whole time permit thing is going to be more prevalent in the future. I was reading an article on the whole thing. It's kind of a pain. And most of them are going to cashless. That is the new deal. It's all going cashless. No longer will you need money to go in the park.
We don't need money. You just gotta have money on your phone.
Yeah, or on your card for sure.
We're entering the Rocky Mountain National Park.
It's a swift water running.
We're doing this.
Which one are we doing?
We're gonna do this.
We're gonna do that first one.
Yeah, we're not going all the way. I don't want to give you. I did get my adventure hat on for this little walk. So it is windy. Oh, this is fun. Look, nice little gift. I got a hat pin from the last Huddle. So I got a little crab. Don't go giving me a bunch of crabs, but the hat pin's kind of a cool idea.
I think we need a Bigfoot one.
No, don't go giving them ideas.
One.
No ideas. This is
need
a picnic table.
One.
Yeah, no. I'm just saying, it was a very nice, thoughtful little different thing because in the rig we don't have a lot of room. But a hat pin. All right, I'm already out of breath.
Well, we're at 8,600 feet.
And we're going to a waterfall in a windstorm.
Hopefully it won't be as windy down.
That's what the hope is. Remember in that one video I talked about, do trees fall on you? People die on hikes with trees falling. Well, I think this could be one of those hikes with the wind.
It is pretty windy.
Dodge things falling.
But it's pretty.
Yeah. No. You know,
It's only 0.3, but
0.3. This is a tough 0.3.
it says it's an easy 0.3 on the map.
Yo, ticker's pumping. Sheila's Uncle David said, oh yeah, stop and do this hike. Short.
It is short. It's 0.3.
Straight up.
No fear that she'll find her way back. It's just a matter of
Yeah.
how long it
Appreciate that, Uncle David.
It's only 0.3. Look, it says there's campsites that way. We can go camping back there.
You go camping. I'm still trying to breathe. Warning. Dangerous drop ahead.
Stay
I
away.
think he's trying to kill us.
Maybe my Uncle David doesn't like you after.
Yeah, he's trying to get me out of the family. There better be a good payoff.
It's pretty. It's already pretty.
Holy moly. Hang on. It's Todd here, weather reporting. Coming in from the mountains. We have witnesses that I didn't push you in. It's a little windy. We're having fun. How was your walk? Was your walk good?
It was good. If I had, because we're only going half mile, I didn't put my hiking shoes on, but there's a little path or a little trail down there. It goes all the way to the river. I'd like to go down there, but I got the wrong shoes.
Scott out here, weather report live from Colorado. We're gonna get back from the high winds are pretty bad. Just hang on here. Woo! Remember that money we spent to detail the truck? She was not gonna be happy. I cracked the window because it was so hot, you know. And now everything is just covered in dust, like horrifically bad. Wait till Sheila gets in. I gotta pick her up. She went to the restroom. So yeah, let the games begin. Here she is. Just wait. This is like one of her biggest pet peeves on the planet, right here. Wait.
Oh, this truck's getting so dirty. You left the windows down, didn't you? You like them cracked. Look at the dash. Todd, we just had Shrek cleaned.
It's pretty bad.
Why? I tell you, don't leave the windows down. Oh my gosh, look at, you can see right where that. Don't even know what to do with you.
I told them that you wouldn't be happy.
Oh my gosh, it's everywhere.
It's bad. It's pretty bad. My truck's telling me something. I don't know what it's telling me. But
Canceled.
yeah, that's kind of like what just happened. We just canceled our dirty truck, our clean truck. Oh,
Very frustrated.
I know,
with
this
you
is
right
a
now.
frustration. This,
Oh my gosh, you
It's-
better turn the camera off
it's
because
bad.
I'm about to let you have it.
It's bad. I can't believe how much dust came in
I
that amount
always
of time.
tell you, don't leave the windows
I
down.
just cracked them like 2 inches, like this much to get the heat circulating out. How did I know? I didn't know. I didn't know.
I have told you for 26 years. You
Hey.
should know by now.
Hey, I'm gonna do what you do to me.
There's dirt everywhere.
I know, we're going to a great location though. We're gonna go see some beauty and find a moose for you to make your spirits better. I promise.
Find me a moose.
I gotta put my seatbelt on. Is that gonna work, you think? Oh, look at how clean that looks now. Oh my goodness, look how dirt. That literally just happened.
Can you turn around, please? I
Where?
see a moose. He's down there.
Sheila, I can't turn around.
There, right there. Turn.
You won't be able to see him.
You told me you got this truck dirty and I was going to get to see a moose. Now you turn this car around.
This is
Get
dumb.
down there. Get
This
down.
is
Get down.
dumb.
Go that way.
We're gonna get in a wreck because you want to see a stupid moose.
Truck.
Oh my gosh, everyone's turning around for a
Yes.
stupid moose.
He's huge. It's a bull moose down at the lake.
Sheila,
Todd.
look at all the traffic.
Well, look at this truck camper's turning around. He's
Oh
going to
my-
help you
No,
out.
he's stopping because other idiots are stopping to try to see a moose.
Are you calling me an idiot?
No, I'm just saying. Where is this dumb moose?
Don't call him dumb. He's right there.
Where?
Look. Now go down. Go turn here.
Oh my gosh. Seriously.
We're on a moose hunt. Moose
Die.
hunt. Okay, now
what?
Now park.
Park?
We're going. Come on.
This is dumb.
Get out. Leave the windows up.
See all these people stopping and they're running to see a moose? I'm just gonna take a shortcut. Sheila went around the other building. Are you wanting to see a moose? He's down here somewhere. Sheila's already made it here, along with the 8,000 other photography phone people. I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do in this moment. Oh, he hears a dog.
Here's that dog. Just enjoy the
Enjoy the moment?
majesty of the moose. So turn the camera around and let them see the beauty.
There's
of
the moose. There, we'll just look at it.
It's beautiful. Here, then you're good.
What is it?
You put your thumb up
Yeah.
like that, and he disappears. You can't see him behind your thumb. That's a good distance. That's what they told us when we were looking at bears. So I'm guessing a moose and a bear. It's about the same. Turns and starts running your way.
I just need to be able to run faster than you, that's all.
Thank you for turning around.
Yeah.
Wasn't it worth it?
It was worth it. It was
amazing.
definitely
I could just watch a moose all day long.
that moment in time. I'll never forget it.
I don't think you have the same appreciation as I do for finally finding a moose.
I appreciate
We
it.
got pretty close. It was pretty awesome. Now, the bighorn sheep would be at the Alpine Visitor Center. You just missed the turnoff of what Uncle David said to check out.
I understand Uncle David gives like these ideas, but Uncle David almost got us, you know, on the last hike.
Can we go there on our way back?
Maybe.
Sometimes when I'm with you, I feel like I'm 10. Can I get out, go for a walk? Can I get out and see that? And you're like, baby. Maybe on the way back, Sheila.
No, if you're with a Harley rider, they never get off. Harley riders just ride on. They don't even see the moose. They're just like,
No, they're so damn loud that the oops quack loud. They're so loud. They're so loud that the moose is all long gone and hiding. They don't get to
That's
see.
probably true, too.
They don't get to see wildlife. On the way back, we'll
how far
stop
are
there.
we going?
To the Alpine Lodge. I want to find bighorn sheep, and you said they would be up there. That's what you said.
Do we have enough diesel though? How far is this?
I'm not the driver, so I don't know that part. You want me to look at the map? Eating a snack.
Some Skittles today.
It's time to
Thanks for rainbow.
follow you into the sun. Golden skies lead me down 101. Your city lights reflecting in my eyes.
It's so chilly up here.
Baby, don't you know that I
I won't fall. Mama! We made it back. We're still alive. The wind is still really, really, really windy. But Sheila got to see moose. I don't know what the plural of moose
Mini
is.
moose. I got to see mini moose.
Yeah, it's not meese. I don't believe that's what
Mini
it is.
mooses. I don't know.
Back in the wonderful RV, somebody stopped by. Oh, Megan and Jeff.
Yep.
And Jeff said, our RV looks much bigger on camera. That's funny. So I said, well, I use a wide angle lens. So it's deceiving. But that's okay. They had a great time hanging out with the family here in Colorado. And we had a great time going out on our little expedition today. The truck is still dirty. Yes, I will clean it. I will. I will use rags and I will dust.
I'm fine. I calmed down. I got over it.
I know. The minute you saw a moose, you were fine.
Yes. So it was like 3 to 4 minutes later, actually. So it wasn't long.
Yeah. Yeah, there was little mini meltdown moments. Sheila had a mini meltdown moment. It was nice to see that. It was refreshing to see you be frustrated for a change.
Well, but I was frustrated at you.
Well, that's not anything not normal. That's normal. That's normal. So thanks for tuning in. We truly appreciate, as always, like, comment, do all the things, be a doer of all things. And welcome, if you're new to the channel, welcome to Switch Crew. You have now been indoctrinated, in a weird way.
I don't know what he's saying, so I'm just going to say I think we're out.
Oh, are we done?
Yes,
Yeah.
I think we're out.
Look forward to the next video, because I don't know what we're doing
We're
next.
going exploring, some more exploring.
We're going to do more exploring?
Yep.
Okay, well,
Next
I guess.
state.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, look, see the states?
We're headed to the next state.
We're almost done. We have some things to cross off, and so those will probably be in the upcoming videos, so we'll be almost done with that wonderful scratch
And if you're wondering where we got it, it's in our Amazon.
It's always in the Amazon.
Just go there.
We try to give you all that stuff in the links. But thanks for tuning in today. Truly appreciate it. And we are...
I already said it.
Yeah, you're out.
We're
Yeah,
out.
we're done.
So happy to have a clean truck. Didn't even last for a freaking 2 weeks.